Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making superfood salad and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so guys, these are the ingredients on the screen right now. Pause the video right now so you can see them all and yeah. Now here's what is actually in the dressing. Soy sauce, garlic and chopped ginger, salt, sugar and black pepper. Now we mixed off everything, starting with quinoa. Now it's boiled green beans. Now it's spinach and cashews. And also broccoli. Now it's onions. One pomegranate. Now we mix them for about a minute. Now enjoy your fabulous meal.